See you guys again. My name is Sarah. I'm the fashion designer from my blogs. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this pink princess dress. Let's get started.
First, you need to cut the fabric from the sleeve, the body, and the skirt. From my pattern paper, I already attached on the screen. You can screenshot and save it in your phone for easier use later. Always try it on and see how it looks before you make the final work. So eventually I decided to sew this black chain on the elastic which I already made. Sew it on directly. That's how I decided to make this finish. Then I start to use my regular sewing machine, which is single, to overlock the edge. I think it looks nice to me. What do you think? Then I go ahead attach my skirt part. So I noticed that
Okay, so this is my tutorial about how to make this pink princess dress. Hope you like my video and my tutorial. If you do like it, please subscribe and like and comment down below. Thank you so much for the sharing and the heart and the support. See you next time. Bye.